Hi, this is Master Ken. So today I will share with you this how to set names for each worksheets. So there are several worksheets here and you need to set the names for each of the worksheets according to a list here. So how to do that? So what I mean is like this here. So as you can see that each worksheet has no name. The employee's name is not there. So it's not there. It's also not there. So the goal is like this. Your end result should be like this. So let's say here, let's just change this here. Let's say you have 5 employees, new 5 employees join this HR team. So I click on this, it will fill, or I go for IT, error fill, and not only that, if I have a 504 and popo and I just clear it and I just click here, it will still fill. Okay, so that's the power of using Excel table rather than non-Excel table. And if I want to know about this Excel table, I click on it. It tells me that this table is called name of table employees and has 6 rows and 3 columns. And you can expand more and more. But more interesting is that we now take the first 3 and fill it. The first name is tomato and it will show fill into here, and potato it should fill into here. And let's just see what happens. Let's click on it. So you have tomato here, potato, and popoto. It's right here. So now you say that, well, actually you just hard code it. No, we just put it here, curry, roti, and then nasi lemak. Okay, let's say these are the 3, and I just click save names and take a look here. Curry, roti, nasi lemak. So it's not hard coded, or in a way, it really depends on the value in the Excel table. So this is a glimpse of what you could learn in level 2. See you soon. God bless you. God bless Asia.